Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today's video one more product unboxing, and that product name is the SilverCrest wireless mouse. This wireless mouse is speciality is a silent surfing, and this mouse price just only 75 Danish krona here in Copenhagen, Denmark. This mouse is available on Amazon store also. So what is the speciality of this mouse? If you have current mouse, like my current mouse is Apple mouse, but I just press here, the noise are generating, and this mouse speciality look like this. If I click here, noise are not generating. This is advantage of this SilverCrest wireless mouse. So we will see unboxing of this video, which types of product I am receiving. Let's check it out. So let's start as unboxing of SilverCrest, the wireless mouse. First of all, I just simply open here. Now it's empty. This is a magic booklet. Using this booklet, you can read the smallest CD also they are providing. Some of the drivers, I think so. And the magic booklet. This is a wireless charging, that's it. And here even they provided two cells also, battery. So I just simply open this battery. I fix here. So now is start. Look at this. This is a Bluetooth. I can very easily fix. It's hard to fix out first time. And look at this. This is a mouse. Look at this here. Comparison of two mouse. This is an Apple product. It's so expensive, and that one is so cheap. Just only 75 Danish krona, and this one is a 600 Danish krona. So just look at this. So noises are generating. Look at this. This one is it's very less, no one are disturbing after using this one, but definitely after using this one, number of people are disturbing. So you can purchase this one, and after that you just simply plug in your Mac or Windows laptop, and that's it. You can use very easily. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.